So I wanted to walk everyone through my farm. I'm going to ask you one more time. We're trying to get a order of t-shirts and hats. I'm going to do about 100 each. So far we've sold 42 shirts and 11 hats. And that means I don't have to guess the sizes. That's why I'm asking right now. So we're going to be able to get the exact order that's needed. If we need more than 100 hats or 100 shirts, we can order that right now. This is the order we're going to put through tomorrow. If I don't fill the quantity, I'm just going to guess, and then I'll mark on our website the sizes that we have in stock, and then when they're sold out, they're sold out, and then obviously we'll get another order going eventually. But this is what we're raising money for. This is my farm after the Bald Range Wildfire. This is the student trailer where everybody stayed in on my farm. We had about 400 students come through here over the last 11 years. That's the shop. These are the greenhouses. It's my Kubota tractor there, which was insured. The rest of the farm, though, we didn't have insurance, so we are raising funds to clean up right now. I mentioned in a video today that Kubota is going to be helping. They're going to drop some equipment for us. I'm grateful, but we're obviously trucking all this away is going to be a real big expense. So we're looking to get a bunch of money together fast, and selling t-shirts is what we have, right? Like, we've lost everything else. That's something that I can execute really quickly, and the guy that I use has given us a really good discount, at least on this order. It's obviously probably not going to be continuous, but we're going to be able to use all those funds to help clean up this farm. This is the production area. We had a staff room and kitchen in here. All of our sterilization. I'm hoping I can repurpose these and get Ripley's stainless to clean these up. This is what's left of our bins. We use these plastic bins and they've just turned to dust, and all that's left is the stainless that was inside. I had my tool room over there, my office. I mean, it's devastating, right? I actually haven't been over here for a while. I've just been hanging out with my kids because, I mean, it's depressing being over here, right? There's just so much work to do. What we're looking to do with the money is we want to get the land cleared this year because winter is coming, and we want to get a fence in fast, and we want to plant some trees. We're looking to rebuild this privacy fence, expand the trees all the way down to the creek, and next year we'll start thinking about rebuilding. I don't know how long it's going to take, but we got to get this mess cleaned up, and I want to get the fence back up so that we can at least have this space start looking a little bit normal. So I didn't mention it in videos before, but we do offer a hat and t-shirt and What the Fungus sticker combo. That's always been available on our website, and some people found that link and they've ordered it. So we are going to be ordering stickers as well. If you want a sticker, you have to get the hat and the t-shirt as a combo. So that's all available right now. We don't have any restrictions on quantities for hats and shirts, but I'm going to get the order in tomorrow, or at least by Friday. And then whatever is ordered, that's it. We'll top it up. I'll kind of guess the sizes, and then those quantities are going to be capped on our website. But I really appreciate anyone who has bought a shirt, bought a hat from us. It means so much. This is really hard bringing you through here, but I think I'm going to get through this. My wife, my kids, my business partner, there's a lot to do, but we've had so much community help, and it starts with just buying a shirt. So appreciate it, and we'll talk to you guys in the next video.